At para naman sa ating entertainment balita, tumanggap ang Panahon TV ng parangal mula sa Philippine Atmospheric, Geophysical and Astronomical Services o PAGASA dahil sa natatangi nitong galing sa paghahatid ng mga ulat panahon. Para sa detalye, balitaan mo kami, Cheska Aguiluz.
Ng Panahon TV ng Wind Vane Awards sa 63rd World and 148th National Meteorological Day sa PAGASA Science Garden, Quezon City.
Ang Wind Vane Award is a yearly awards given by PAGASA to individuals and organizations who have contributed to the activities of PAGASA during the last year. Valuable contribution in line with what we are doing towards minimizing the impacts of extreme weather events.
Isa ang Panahon TV sa mga napiling bigyan ng award ng Philippine Atmospheric, Geophysical and Astronomical Services Administration o PAGASA para sa kontribusyon nito sa patuloy na pagbibigay ng up-to-date weather information sa masa. Ginanap ang parangal noong ika-21 ng Marso bandang alas 4 ng hapon. Ms. Donalyn Javier, ang producer ng Panahon TV, at Attorney JJ Atienza, ang Corporate Secretary ng People's Television, ang nasabing parangal.
Madaming puyat at napakalaking learning curve para sa mga producers. So we're very thankful that DOST PAGASA was there also to support us, understand, so that we can actually communicate this to the public. And of course, our team, our hardworking team, who they're there in PAGASA every single day from 3 a.m. hanggang at pag bumabagyo hanggang hating gabi. So, nakakawala ng pagod at lalong nakaka-inspire ito.
Nagbukas din ng pagkakataon ang pangyayaring ito upang patuloy na lumawak pa ang serbisyo at potensyal ng Panahon TV.
This is a great opportunity for PTV since we are starting and we are developing our programs. Panahon TV would be a great support for the government, for our people.
Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Cheska Aguiluz.